I got this month's Ivy box. Woo! Oh, I better flip that over so that you don't see my address. Oh my goodness. Yeah, here it is. It came while I was at Boule, actually, the 72nd Boule for Alpha, Kappa Alpha, Sorority Incorporated. And boy, a time was had, y'all heard me. It was my first Boule. Oh my gosh, it was amazing seeing so many sorority sisters in that beautiful pink and green, baby. Yes, yes. So, let's see. She's coming. Here's my box. I think my husband or kid put it in my office. So, it has nice ivy leaf on it. I don't know if you can see that, but it does. And I'm opening it now. Girl. Oh, I was doing it the wrong way, y'all. It got this on it. Child, just used it. Now, that was so much easier. My goodness. Voila, isn't she pretty? Yes, she is. And it says, of course, this is an exclusive partnership with Alpha, Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated. And a portion of all proceeds go to the sorority. Yes, yes. And this month, which is July, the theme is Passport to Possibility. I love to travel. I love that theme, girls. And what's in the box is an AKA bucket bag, cute, ivy leaf bag holder, cute, and AKA portable perfume bottles, 3 of those. So it says, Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated has always been a passport to possibility. Since 1908, this sisterhood has shown the world the power of dreaming boldly, leading courageously, committing to the work, and creating pathways for our communities. From campus classrooms to corporate boardrooms, from local neighborhoods to destinations across the globe, women of Alpha Kappa Alpha continue to elevate, inspire, and achieve. Across the globe, women of Alpha Kappa Alpha lead with intellect, serve with excellence, and create opportunities for generations to come. Yes, we do. This month, we invite you to embrace the theme of Passport to Possibility. Possibility is found in every new experience, every goal pursued, and every possibility embraced. It is reflected in your willingness to grow, your courage to explore new paths, and your commitment to making a meaningful impact wherever life takes you. Amen to that. You carry the legacy of the sisterhood with grace, and we could not be more proud. Thank you for continuing to open doors, inspire others, and boldly pursue the opportunities that await you. Whether your journey takes you across the world or in a new season of personal growth, your passport has already been stamped with excellence, resilience, and purpose. I received that. This month's Ivy Box is designed to accompany you on every adventure that comes your way. The AKA bucket bag is a chic and versatile staple created for life in motion, making it the perfect companion for everything from everyday errands and weekend getaways. The Ivy Leaf bag holder offers a stylish solution for keeping your bag off the floor, yes, and within easy reach. While the set of 3 AKA portable perfume bottles allow you to bring your signature scent wherever possibility takes you. Come on, Baccarat. Here's to embracing new experiences, exploring new possibilities, and boldly stepping into your next chapter. Wherever your journey leads, know that sisterhood, purpose, and possibility are traveling with you every step of the way. Oh, I love that. Thank you, sisters. I love that. So here are the 3 perfume bottles that they talked about. I'll leave that for last. Because they're going to be good right now. Oh, but I was just about to say, I got a little bag holder. I do. Here she go. Bag holder. She's cute. I need that today. Works like that. Cute. And the bag. The bag, honey. Ooh. Chain wrapped really nicely. Ooh, and the leather feels good. Is that vegan leather? Ooh, it feels so soft, y'all. That's that vegan leather, I think. I don't know. Don't quote me on it, child. But she's cute. Right. And has a strap to go with it. So it has the handle and you can use it, put the strap on it. So, oh, I like her. And it has AKA all over it. I love my AKA. But yeah, that's this month's bag, y'all. Be sure to just follow. I'll try and do unboxings as my life allows me to. I'm so busy. But I'm going to try to do more of those as well. And hey, just follow me for more content. If you like what I'm doing, I'm trying to be more active, child. But life be life, okay? Okay. But yes, I love y'all. Thank you. Toodles.